Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. So today we're going to work on the semi-truck, this monster build. Man, we got some good weather, so might as well do what we can with what we have. We're going to go ahead and get it started, get it closer to the shop, start working on the cab, take out everything that we need so we can take this cab off. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let's get this thing started. It's been a while. Will it start up again?
I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully a cold start. Heck yeah. Let's get that hood though.
We might as well drive it over to the line machine to get the AC out, get inside so we don't have to move our AC machine too much. That's what he's gonna do. Go ahead and drive it over here.
Alright, so we got the AC out and actually had almost 4 pounds of AC in it, so that's good. Next thing, we'll put it back there again and start taking it apart.
Look at this. Alright guys, so we're getting pretty close to it. I think we got everything. Not too sure, but it's kind of getting cold and late, so we're gonna wait till tomorrow morning. We'll probably lift it up and see what else is going on. I mean, we had to get underneath it. There's some bolts and nuts that it's kind of tight, but hey, it's part of it. It's not a problem. But we'll catch you guys in the morning and see how it goes. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Still kind of chilly out here, but hey, it's not raining, so we're gonna keep working on the semi-truck. We're working on the cab, trying to get it lifted up, unbolting everything. Basically have to take out those little side panels right here, get the forklift right underneath it, lift it up, see what else is holding, and keep going, and hopefully get this cab off. Let's get it done today. Let's do it. So we got the cab off. Wasn't too bad. Honestly, we're kind of nervous. We want to break nothing, want to damage anything like that. It was first cab removal. Right? I've never done
it.
We never done it before. But honestly, it wasn't too bad. Like 2 main bolts in the front, right here. So, the front wasn't too complicated. That's what basically holds your main cab in the front.
2 of those guys.
Yeah, 2 of those. And in the back, you just have
like airbags. So it's got a tray that goes right there.
So the tray right there, and your 2 main bolts in the front. Well, honestly, it's not that bad. Yeah, of course, there's some wires, there's some airlines and stuff like that we have to disconnect, but pretty basic and pretty simple. I mean, look at this frame. Nice and straight. Just a nice straight frame, and then some stuff added to it. Not complicated at all. It's nice. I mean, commercial vehicles, why complicate it, right? Why make it difficult on us?
Bro, look at this exhaust, Michael. Should we keep this? That's like...
Dang. Look at this chimney.
Should put on my Duramax.
I mean...
Think I'll buff out?
Yeah, you know, salvage. But it's all good. It means we could...
We should put like a shorty on there that flips down instead of up. And then what about this EGR, Michael? We should get rid of it.
I don't know if
Is that doable? But then we can't go to California.
Yeah,
so.
we do like going to California, right? We do want to go there one day, but...
I think, look how big this EGR is. That's like... That's crazy.
Dang, it's even bigger. Like it,
no, that's not EGR, it's DPF.
This
Sorry.
is the DPF stuff, yeah.
Yeah, DPF.
DPF tank, but still, that's crazy. So the system goes through it, muffler,
well, maybe
exhaust.
it's EGR too. No, oh no, the EGR's right there.
The turbo's right there, so the exhaust goes through this tank, the DPF.
Think about it. All we have to do is just like chop right here and add it to here.
Bypass it straight.
And then what about check engine?
I'm sure we could figure it out. No programmer or something like that, but...
No, I just kidding, guys. That's way too much work. But get in there, Mike. Let's see.
Yeah.
It's like a single cab now. Or no cab at all.
It looks like a low profile roadster right now. I got my mirrors. Give me a little steering wheel right here. Nothing but motor. I mean, got my turbos.
Wow. Hey, but we did drive it over here, so we should be able to drive it away, right, Michael?
That would be crazy to be able to start it. But I'm pretty sure we disconnected the computer.
I'm saying no, with the new cab.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Once we get all swapped over, get the new cab on.
Wow.
Dang, look at this. This is crazy.
Well, let's go check out the cab.
All right, guys, so we got the cab on the ground. It feels pretty steady. We put on these steelies that we welded up so we could lift it up a little bit. Basically, there's stuff that we got to unbolt underneath. I mean, some coolant lines, air lines, and other stuff like that. Even for the dash, I'm sure there's stuff. I don't even know. But just in case we got to go underneath it, we can.
And it'll be easier to move next time.
Yeah, I mean, I still feel like it's pretty stable. We got those 4 points.
Let's see you rock it, Michael.
I don't know. I mean, feels good.
Feels good? You're going to be confident going inside?
Yeah.
Taking the whole interior apart?
I mean, if I'm inside and it falls, that's not so bad. I just don't want to be underneath it if it comes down. But, I mean, it feels pretty good.
Look at that. You can get in like a regular truck, Michael.
Yeah, just need a little step or something, but let's see. Not bad at all.
I'll hit the air brakes. Make sure they're still working.
Just kidding.
But what are we gonna do first, Michael? I think the weather's gonna get bad. Tomorrow's gonna rain.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but all I gotta do is cut and paste, really. Just take all this stuff, the good stuff, put it over there. How bad could it be? I'm just kidding. I've never done a semi-truck swap before, but think about that Raptor. I mean, that was pretty bad, so this shouldn't be too bad. Even though I heard stories that like most of these connections are all the same, so if you unplug something, it'll plug in the wrong spot. So we definitely be careful when we take stuff apart.
And I heard the wires are different colors too when they plug in, so you can't match up wires either.
Why would they do that? It makes no sense. I'm so confused, but whatever.
Just gotta make sure we mark everything when we take it apart.
We just gotta make sure that we stay on top of it, take some pictures. I mean, take a panel off, take a picture of it. Cause I heard it's a pain in the butt to put back together.
Yeah, but we'll take apart the full interior first, and then we'll start on the dash, interior, carpet, and we can put everything in our carport.
There it is, our storage, outdoor storage unit.
Covered from the rain.
Still there. Flipped a couple times during the wind, but still there. We'll use it for something, I guess. But yeah, it's there, it's off, looking pretty good. And it's right there next to our
Let's check this thing out again. Look, we got the little side diffusers on. That's looking really good.
Paint job looks good.
Oh yeah.
cabinets already. I don't know if we're keeping those or a little mini fridge.
Maybe we need a mini fridge. We might have 2 mini fridges now, so maybe one for the shop, for the office.
Oh yeah, if it works, right? Should just plug right in. I don't know. I'm just happy we got it off and nothing bad happened. We didn't drop nothing, so that's good.
Let's end it.
All right, guys, that's all the time we have for today. Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow, but we'll see. If not, then we'll have to work inside in the Cobra or something like that. But until next time, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Got some more content coming. Gonna finish up some builds. Still got some new builds coming up for sure, but turn that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. All right, guys, stay tuned. Until next time.